Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And I'm here again. Today I'm going to be doing something different, a little DIY on my kitchen. So if you want to see this, keep watching. And this was what my kitchen looked like before, so I'll be showing you guys how I transformed this kitchen to what I want it to be. So guys, this was what my kitchen looks like. This is what it looks like right now. So I'm going to be taking this all off and then remodeling, let's say, like changing this thing here. So I'll be changing everything. So first let's start by cleaning up, and then doing everything out.
I'm helping mommy today.
So if you're new to this channel, you're hearing this voice for the first time, or you're seeing this face for the first time, please click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you know whenever I post any new videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always tuning in. Don't also forget to give this video a thumbs up if you really enjoyed watching this video. So I started off by cleaning up the walls. You need to clean up because you don't want oil, grease, anything, any dirt on the wall and on the countertop. I have these. I got from Amazon, and I have this model. So after cleaning up, I started by placing my contact paper on there. And then if you don't have like the thing they use, there's a particular thing they use in pressing this contact paper down, like smoothing it out. I don't know what they call it, but I didn't have that, so I used my credit card to do that. So you just really need to take your time and do this. And I like this contact paper because it already has like the lines and numbers out there. So all you need to do is measure out what you want and then just follow the line at the back to cut it out, and it comes out straight and perfect. So that's what I like about the contact paper that I got. And I really wanted the marble effect because I really do love this marble effect. Like when I moved in here, I was like, oh, I saw this, I was like, oh my god, I wanted something with a marble thing. So that was why I went ahead to do this. So after smoothing out, what I do is I press in the remaining like I tuck it in under the cabinet or something. Then I use my knife to cut out any excess, just to make it very smooth and clean, so because you don't want it having any opening, and water can get in and then end up spoiling everything. So you want to really smoothen it out and make it lap very well. You want it to lay real good, real flat. And if you want to try this, please do try it out and give me a feedback. Let me see how it goes, and let me see how you did yours. Let me just see, because I think I've done this video for, I think I've had this video for a while now. I've just been so lazy to edit it and put it out there, but I decided today finally to post it out. I saw so many, I searched YouTube for so many people doing this, and I was like, okay, let me just give this a try. It's not, they tell you, let me just say something for your information, a little FYI. This is not the way people say, oh, it's pretty easy and that's it, and that hello, this is not pretty easy. Like, it's not easy. You have to be patient enough. You have to be ready to do this. Like, you have to be patient enough to take your time and do this. It's not easy as they say it. Let me just put this out there, because I saw so many people saying, hey, it's easy, you just do it like this, you do it like that, and I ended up doing this, and I was like, oh gosh, these guys lied to us. Like, why would you lie to me like that? It's just so funny, but you just have to be very patient. I was very patient because I really wanted to do this. Like, I really love doing it, and I wanted to do it. So that was why I was so patient, and I didn't even complain. I did not bother. So you have to be very patient, take your time so you can do it properly, and it's not as easy as it looks or as they say it. So I'm telling you the truth right now, and it's not so easy, but you can do it, girl. You can do it. So you see how I cut out that edge, the remaining part, and then pull it out. Once you line it, you like cut it out. It's very easy for you to bring it out. And I always tuck it in under the table to the table, the counterparts. So I go over to the other part of my kitchen countertop, and I do the same thing. You can see me cutting it out because it's pretty easy to do, because with this contour paper it's pretty easy to cut it out and measure it out, because it already has the measurements and the lines, the numbers, everything at the back. So that was why it was a bit easy to do that. So you want to first open it up a little bit, place it down there, and then start. You can see what I am doing. Start pulling out. Don't just pull out the papers all at once. You will end up ruining everything. So as you smoothing it out, you pull out the back paper. As you smoothing it out, you pull out the back. You just keep going like that. Don't pull everything out at once, because you will definitely end up ruining everything. So you can see me pulling it out just because I want it to be really smooth and really nice. So it takes a whole lot of patience. You have to be patient enough to do this. So if you've gotten to this part and you're still watching this video, please and please and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell so you know whenever I post any new videos. Give this video a big thumbs up, and please leave your comments in the comment section down below. Tell me what you think about this contour paper. Tell me if you would do this to your countertop or not. Tell me what you think about this particular thing. Just tell me what you think. Leave your comments in the comment section, and you can also leave other suggestions, what I would have done and what I would have bought for this. Just give me your ideas in the comment section. It's very much appreciated, and you're very much welcome. Thank you so much for always tuning in, for all my returning subscribers, and for the people just clicking on this video. Please consider subscribing and joining this family, guys. So this is for the wall, the contour paper for the wall. I got this, they call it, I think, what do they call it again, like this peel and stick. Yeah, the peel and stick contour paper for the wall. I also got that because I didn't like how the wall was just plain down there, so I had to put this too. And like I said, I always say this, it takes a lot of patience. If you want something good, you have to be patient enough to grab it. That's just it. But I really enjoyed doing it. Like, if you know, my channel is all about lifestyle, family, food, all the cooking, all the good stuff, and DIYs. So you already know I love doing DIYs. I have so many DIYs that I don't even film when I'm doing them, but I think I'll start filming them, so you see so many things you can do all by yourself. My house is like full of DIYs. I have a whole lot of DIYs that I do in my house. So I need to start showing you guys everything. I do a whole lot of DIYs. I just love doing it. I enjoy the creative part, the creativity in DIYs. I just love the creative part of it. showing how creative your girl can be. So at this point I realized that I because you don't know what happened in this video, I ordered this set thinking it would be enough, the first set that I used, and at the point after I used it, it wasn't enough. So I ordered the second one thinking they were the same thing, only for this to arrive from Amazon and it wasn't the same. So this is the light that I brought from the dollar store. This is what it looks like. I put that under my kitchen cabinet. So you know how you have lights under your kitchen cabinet. I did not have any. So I went to the dollar store and bought this, and this is it, guys. I am finished here. This is what it looks like, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. Can you imagine that? Look at what my kitchen looks like right now. Like, look at that, guys. Look at what my kitchen looks like. That was so fun to do. I changed everything to black and white, you know, made it look more cool. So if you enjoyed watching this, please give this video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel, guys. I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.